I used to spend hours trying to find new leads and write personalized emails to them. This was very frustrating and it took a lot of time. But I got the solution. I built a system for this one that it can do it automatically. It will save a lot of time. Let me show you the system. So, this is the system. It can find leads automatically. Then it can send the emails with a delay. Why with a delay? Because if we do this automatically, Gmail can suspect us as a robot and it can ban us. So I have put a delay over here that will be sending like every hour, but that will be a 5 to 20-minute delay. So one time it might be sent after an hour and 5 minutes. The other time must be sent after an hour and 10 minutes, and Gmail will not be suspecting this. I have a little trick that will save you a lot of time and you will be sending like 100 emails per day automatically without you having to do anything. I will just keep watching the video and I will show you the trick. So, I will be going this system with a brief description and very fast because there is a lot of explaining to do. I will not be building this myself, but I will be leaving the link of this system down below and you can get it already built. Let's go. So, first we must go to NN8, which is a platform no-code, low-code tool. It is very helpful to build this kind of systems very fast and easy. Go to sign in, create an account. I am already signed in. After you have done that, this page will pop up. Just come over here and create a workflow. Over here, you can name it whatever you want. Then, after that, we can start and build the system. Let me explain now. I have put a trigger. This trigger is manually. What does it mean? So when I press this, it will execute this one. After that, I have done a get rows in Google Sheet. How can you get the rows in Google Sheet? First, we must create some credentials. So let's go to Google Sheets, sign in. After you're signed in, go to blank spreadsheet. For me, it's this one. Name it whatever you want. You can just do it leads or it doesn't matter. Then complete these rows. So full name, email, title, personal linked, company name, company website, status, follow up, data sent. I can give you an example of some of my process. As you see, Mark Ormerod, the email, owner, data, data, data. And you can see the status was sent, followed up was sent, and the time when it was sent. So this is very foolproof and it is awesome. It can send messages, it can follow up. So let's start. After you have done that, come back to NN8, connect with your credentials. Just go here, create new credentials, sign in with Google, with the Google account that you created on Google Sheet. After that, sheet within document, get rows from list. What list? From the list that you put this name. From list sheet 1. What is this sheet 1? If you go to your NN8 Google Sheet, Google Sheet file, you can find it, the name of your sheet over here, sheet 1. So do that, and you must go to the settings and press this one, execute once. Why we do this? Because if we don't do this, then it will execute for every row. But we just want it one time, so do execute once and it will go get all the rows at the same time. Then go to this JSON. Over here, we have an raw data JSON that we will get from Apify. What is Apify? Apify is the app that will let us get these leads. It can get us leads from wherever we want, from LinkedIn, from Google Maps, from Instagram, wherever you want. For me, I have integrated Apollo too. What is this Apollo? Apollo is another app that can find these people. What I'm doing right now, I am finding coaches, industries that coach, things like that. So let me show you how this code will work. First, go and create an account in Apify. So type Apify. Get started. I will log in because I have already an account. And the great thing about this is that you will have $5 of credit free, for free. So go to search over here. You can search Apollo scraper, scrape up to 50K leads. This is what I have done. You can search whatever you want. For this one, we can only scratch up to 100 leads. If you want more, we must pay the Apify plan, which is $39. And it can scrape how many? Yeah, it can scrape up to 50K leads. Yeah. So after you have signed in Apify, you must go to Apollo, sign here too. I have an account, so I will log in. Come back to find people. Just a moment, it's verifying me. Yeah. Complete this as you want. Then after you have completed this once, just press over here, copy the URL. After you copy the URL, come back to NN8 and change this URL to the URL that you copied from Apollo. After you have done that, do the total number of records required, do 100. And this is very important, don't forget to do this. Maximum charge results, do 100. After that, just press start. I will just get an example of what I have done earlier, as you can see. So, after you have gotten these results, this page has popped up. Come back to the end of this and do items per page, do 100. Okay, so you get the whole results. To that, go to JSON and just copy this whole JSON. After you have done that, you must come back to NN8, go to this JSON, this code JSON, get it from here and until the end, you understand it, until the end, until here, and paste it over here, the JSON that you got from Apify, just paste it over here, then you can run it. After you have run that, we have this over here, which will parse the lead data. What does this mean? It will structure our information in a way that is more clean and more easy to understand. So what way? It is doing it in a name, title, email, LinkedIn, organization, name, organization, website. How we get, okay? This is it. If you are thinking, what are these? From the execution of our previous node, we can just get the things like over here, get, okay, let me run it and I will show you because let me run this one too. All right. So as you can see, you will get first name, put it over here. Email, put it over here. So get it, put it. This is it. You will have already built up when I give you the system, so don't worry about it. Then we have, oh, sorry. We have also a structure output parse. Why we do that? We go over here, require specific output format. We have this message, which will only say to the agent that make it in this format. So we must be like double sure. Then come over here, structure output parser, and you must input this one, which you will have it already built when you get the system. Then after that, come back to this if not. We have this if not, which will see if the email is not empty. Because if it is empty, it does not matter to us because how we'll be emailing them. So we must get the leads with emails. So we get an if node. If the emails are not empty, they will go to this over here, this if node. If they are empty, they will just go to this false node. They will not pass to this one. After this one, this if node is not important. You can this we have this loop over items, and then we have to add to Google Sheet. So it will just loop all over again until all the leads have been added to Google Sheet, just like this. And they will be adding like this. So create again the Google Sheet account, append or update row from the same sheet, don't forget, column to match on do email, then just values to send email, get the email from this part over here, put it over here, get it here, you will have it already built, so don't worry. Then what you must do is status not sent, follow up not sent, okay? Let me run it over here so you can see properly what I mean. Just a moment until it parses the lead. Awesome. So as you can see, it came up with an error. Why we do that? Why does it do that? I mean, because I have done a continue using error output. So if anything is wrong over here, it will just put it in this error over here, so the system won't stop working. You can see that the output was structured in our way, as we wanted it. So this is more clean than this output like this. And the AI can understand this output. That's why we parse it that way. After that, come back to Google Sheet. So, okay, come back to the if. Just get the email, full name, title, you know it. Status not sent, follow up not sent. And this is what it will look like. After that, we have this other one that will send the email. So we have a schedule trigger. I have done minutes and 100 minutes every time. So this will be sending the trigger every 1 hour. Then we have this delay generator, which will be creating a random delay from 5 to 20 minutes. Then there is this if not, which will get the random delay from our code. Let me run it. All right, so delay minutes, we get it over here. For our, we was 14 minutes right now. So after 1 hour, it will be delaying 40 minutes. Then it will wait 40 minutes. It will get the rows from Google Sheet. So create credential with the same account, get rows, and we must get only the column that says status not sent, because we don't want to get the ones that are already sent. So status not sent. This AI agent only has a structure of the email. We have said don't change the structure of the email below. You can personalize the email however you want it. If you want, you can put whatever you want, yeah, as I said. And over here, we're going just to get, let me run the agent so I can show you better. Oh, it's going to wait 40 minutes, never mind. So from this one that says JSON full name, after we get the rows in sheet, just take it, just take the full name and put it over here, and it will be kind of personalized. I will show you in another video. If you guys are interested, please type in the comments if you are interested to know how you can write emails that will get prospects, how you can write personalized emails that will get these leads, that will get you replies. Then we have this other node, which is a Gmail send. Just after in the get rows, we also get the emails. So from the get rows sheet, just put the email over here. The subject will be hi name. For me, I've done is this the correct email for fitness and health. Then message JSON output. JSON output, we will get it from this one. Okay. After that, we will append row in sheet. Why we do this? We will be appending the row or I mean updating the row because we have sent the message now, and we are updating the column, and we'll be sending the status sent. We must also do the data sent, so the date where it was sent. Why we do this? Because after 2 days, this one will be activated. What does this do? This is the follow-up. So after 2 days, we are following up. We also have a schedule trigger. It's the same as this one. We have the daily generator, we have the wait node. We are going to get the rows now, and we're going to get the followed up. If they are followed up, if the followed up is sent, then we're not going to do it. If it is not sent, then we are going to get it. Then we have a time checker. What this time checker does that if it has passed 2 days since we sent the email, then it will get the lead. We have this if not. If can send follow up is true, then it will go to the true parse and we can send the follow up. If it is false, then we are not going to send it. So what does this code do? It just takes and checks the time, and it also gives us a true or false if the time is good or not. Okay? Then we have this agent, which will also be putting only the email. Don't change the structure of the email below. Um, this is about it. So after that, we have send the message. Google Sheet is the same as above. Then update the row in Sheet. What are we updating? We are updating that this prospect has been followed up. Nothing else. And if you guys are planning to buy the Epify plan for $39, you can do this part over here. You can do it more easy with this one. Because when you don't have the Epify plan, you can't scrape automatically. You understand? You must go to Epify, scrape it over here, then go over here when you are on the free plan. But if you have paid $39, you can just go and do it automatically over here. You have the form submission over here that you can complete it, and it will just parse the lead. It will do everything automatically. So you have also this one over here, which will be explaining you how this works. If you're tired trying to find new leads and coming up with personalized emails, this system will save you a lot of time. So go ahead and try it for yourself. Thank you guys. Goodbye.